councils imitate what they are in the actual UN, each having their own special role and the types of problems it addresses. There are also special councils. You'll find them out later. For example, fantasy councils based
in Africa, and you want to find how Ghana connects to the war. So the judges really appreciate that, and they will see that your research will pay off, right? So other than that, maybe research like what the
in a conference itself, we are tasked, we are assigned to be able to argue, to talk, to negotiate with many other people who are stronger, and
in the pressure you fought and how you hit hard and think about that response fast. Minds and their issues together, and they try to solve the problem. Now you, being like Somalia attends a council on economic